The session hijacking. The TCP/IP protocol has different layers of protocols, such as one session layer protocol. Session layer protocols maintain state through the session identifier, and the identifier are usually valid for the extended period. If the session identifier is not encoded, then the attacker may acquire the session identifier and hijack the session. It is a common style of network attack and referred to the session hijacking. Web cookies readily lend themselves to the session hijacking. Many computer viruses like Sasar, Burbu harvest web cookies from infected hosts. These cookies store active session information, allowing an attacker to effectively hijack a session. How does session hijacking works? As we know that the HTTP communication uses many TCP connections, and so that server needs a method of recognize every user connection. The most used method is authentication process, and then the server sends to token the client browser. This token is composed to the set of variable width, and it could be used in different ways, like the URL in the header of HTTP requisition as a cookie. In other part of header is the HTTP request in the body of HTTP requisition. The attack compromises the session token by stealing or predicting a valid session token to gain unauthorized access to the web server. How can prevent the session hijacking? The best approach to prevent session hijacking is that protection should be enabled from the client side. Taking prevention measures on the client side for session hijacking is highly recommended. The users should have efficient antivirus, anti-malware software, and should keep the software up to date. Besides the tracking IP address and SSL session IDs, the engines also track the HTTP headers. These are the recommended preventive measures to be taken from both the client and server side in order to prevent the session hijacking attack. Thanks for watching.